Oh, that's so much better. Good combo until... No, they're not like rocks. It's just when I use hot water, it'll get dissolved. That peach and extra orange smells so good. I love your unsatisfied recycled powder. I don't know how to feel about it. Okay. I'm gonna put the crumbles in here and we're gonna keep squeezing. Look at all these crumbles. First of all, this is not going down my sink. I'm not about to drain this. Look at all this. Okay. I'm just making a mess at this point. Crush them. Do you guys like watery paste? Sift them like you're looking for gold. Is that what you said? They're just very hard. I will try my best. Let me use this one. Sorry, this smells so amazing. I need to do a peach and orange combo, like big overload. Cause this stuff smells so good. It's pretty watery already though. Yes, it's a watery paste. I like more of a powder paste. You like more of a powder paste? We did that when we did that lime salvo overload. We had suds, we had watery paste, and then we had paste, and then we had dry paste. It was crazy. We had a lot. We did a big overload and we had all that. Let me save some of this. You know what? It has baking soda. Fuck. I hope. I'm not gonna close it. I did a combo mixing peach fab and watermelon fab with watermelon Ajax, and it was amazing. Ooh, let me try that too. Peach fab, watermelon fab, and watermelon Ajax. It was amazing. I need to try that. the Suds was so pink. I love fruit scent combos. It smells so good. I don't have Ajax, my love. Ajax powder, I don't have it right now. But if I do get it, it'll be $2 when I do bring Ajax powder. Do you make the sponges design? No. I don't make this one I didn't make it. Can I ask why you do this? It's just relaxing. Okay, has the warm water came back to you? Do you make, oh. No, this still, it's still kind of cold. It's not as cold, but it's still there. Look, the baking soda is already doing a reaction. Because remember I said that the recycle powder has baking soda? Look at that. Like it's already reacting because I tried saving and it's already coming out of the bottle. Yeah. I want to save, but now it's like the baking soda is reacting. Oh, this is a rinse. No, this is a combo, but it got super watery. We added more water because it was super cold. And I'm still squeezing. Okay. I'm gonna let